Good day, my friends. Welcome to Land of Plenty. I'm Christopher Two Elks, and today I'm going to show you about how I put up my siding. I got one sheet left, and just want to show you how I did it. Bad timing with the compressor. Anyway, so this is Hardyboard siding. It's part cement, as I understand, some sort of fiber as well. And so I already cut my next piece out. It's a big floppy 10-foot piece, and you have to be really careful to not let the top end snap and fall on your head like I had happen with my very first piece. The ladder up there actually is holding it up there real good, puts enough weight on it. But so I'm gonna set it down and I'll show you how I did them all. There's a block underneath here. I'm going to pick it up and set it on the block. More like I'm just going to catch it on the window, but typically I set it on the block that comes up right underneath the edge of the sheeting here. So I could rest and get a better grip underneath and lift up and hold it. And then I got to whip out a nailer and nail it in because I don't always have the advantage of this ledge to hang on the window. Come on, baby. I know it fits. I had it up there once. Trim a little paper. Yeah. Okay, I'm back. I got my level. But I can see the joint moves is real tight and nice all the way up. But just to be a grown-up, check the level. Even though it's the last piece. If you don't, you can start getting a dominoing effect where they lean. But the windows are also keeping me true. That's what it's all about. So, the shovel's always lighter in your own yard. Have a good day.